Today we are going to learn how to use the round formula in Excel. With the round function we can easily how many digit we want to keep after the decimal point. What is the round function? The round function rounds a number to specific number of decimal places. Create a table. Type the formula is equal to round first bracket, select price, comma, type 2, bracket close, then enter. We are using 2 because we want to keep 2 digits after the decimal point. If we use 1, Excel will keep 1 decimal place, and if we use 0, it will round the number to the nearest whole number. Drag the formula down. If we want to keep only 1 digit after the decimal point, we simply use 1 as the number digit value is equal to round first bracket, select average marks, comma, 1, bracket close, then enter and drag the formula down. If we want to remove the decimal place and round the number to the nearest whole number, we use 0. Let's go. I'll delete. Then press formula is equal to round first bracket, select average mark, comma, 0, bracket close, then press enter and drag the formula down. So friends, this is how we can easily use the round formula in Excel. Depending on how many digits we want to keep after the decimal point, we can use 0, 1, 2 or any others number. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay contact for more simple and useful Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.